Top myths that hold you back. I'll change when my circumstances change. False. Waiting for something external to shift is playing the victim. Real change is an inside job. It's too hard to change. Not true. What's hard is making the same unconscious choices daily and expecting a new result. The hardest part of change is breaking the habit of being your old self. If I take responsibility, I have to blame myself for everything. Responsibility is not blame, it's power. It's the moment you say, I'm not a prisoner of my past. I'm the architect of my future. The daily practice. Wake up with intention. Don't dive into your phone. Dive into your vision. Rehearse how you want to think, feel, and act over and over until it becomes automatic. Feel the emotions of your future today. Gratitude, joy, love, peace. Train your body to live there. Reflect daily. When did I go unconscious? When did I fall from grace? What would I do differently tomorrow? Repeat. Every day is a new life, a new identity, a new rehearsal. When you do this consistently, the chemistry of your body changes. Your brain rewires. Your heart opens. Your energy shifts. And life starts responding to the new vibration you're putting out. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest who you are. And who you are is up to you.